Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your portfolio performance over time in Bright. Keeping an eye on your portfolio performance is key to staying on top of your investments, and here's how to do it using the Bright app. First, launch the Bright app and tap on the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. You're going to land on your investment dashboard. Right away, you're going to see your total portfolio value along with your overall return percentage. Scroll down slightly to the performance overview section. Here you can see how your investments have done over different time periods. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Tap on the timeline selector to switch between views, such as IM for the past month or IY for the past year. You can also view performance by assets. Tap on an individual investment like a fund or stock to get detailed info, including growth charts, percentage gains, and even historical performance. To better analyze your progress, swipe over to the Insights or Reports section if available. This breaks down your performance by category, risk profile, or allocations. If your investments are underperforming, Bright may offer automated recommendations to help you rebalance or diversify. Tracking consistently helps you to make smarter decisions and to stay aligned with your financial goal. If this helps you stay on top of your finances, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.